Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. And in this video I am continuing my declutter and reorganization of my closet space and my dresser. So we're not going in the closet today, but we are going to declutter my dresser. I'm getting rid of a lot of stuff like my closet. If you haven't seen that video, it's not that long, but you know, click here if you want to look at that first, then jump back over here. I had a lot of stuff that I just wasn't wearing. It was just cluttering everything up. I found that either the things that I was using or wearing were either just sitting on top of my dresser or just on the top of the pile, and everything at the bottom I never touched. So I decided that I needed to go through all of my drawers and get rid of anything that I'm not using because it is not serving a purpose in my home. So I'm going to do my dresser and I'm gonna clean it off too. I'm probably not gonna show me cleaning off my dresser, but you will see the before and the after. So let's get started. This is actually future me that has 90% finished. This may end up being a part 1. I don't know, and you'll see why, because I already know what happens in the end. But let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so like most of my decluttering and organization projects, I am boldly giving you a look into what it looks like. That is my costume accessories drawer. This is a drawer of randomness that I have no idea what's in there. This is my underwear drawer packed to the brim. This is my sock and bra drawer packed. This is my workout clothes drawer, also packed. This is my t-shirt and pants, all kind of things drawer, not organized. And that open drawer is my pajama drawer. So now I'm going to just take everything out and separate what I'm keeping and what I'm not keeping. Enjoy. Thing to note about me is I kind of love to collect socks, and I don't wear all of them. There's so many socks in this drawer that I have not so much as dipped a toe in. It's ridiculous. So I'm definitely getting rid of a lot of socks, and I'm going to try to only keep the ones that I actually wear. If I'm keeping it a buck, this is probably the scariest drawer I did. I really just didn't know what I put in here. There was a bag full of just random accessories that I was not using and did not miss. The one I'm going through right now. And yeah, I didn't do too much with that. I just took the bag out, and since I didn't seem to miss it, I just got rid of the whole thing. Once I took that bag out, this drawer got a tiny bit easier. And this, my costume jewelry drawer, it wasn't too bad, but there was just so much in here. Oh, that's my tassel charm from my graduation, my high school graduation. And that's a necklace I forgot I had that has my name on it. I'm glad I found it. But this drawer wasn't too bad. It's just, like I said, like the socks and like every other drawer, there's just stuff in here that I don't wear anymore. Stuff that's kind of gone out of style, or stuff that's just not necessarily my current taste. So I'm going to let someone else enjoy them and just reduce down to the things that I actually wear. And I'm going to try to fit what's left in a jewelry box that I keep on top of my dresser that has absolutely nothing in it but some a couple pairs of earrings. That '08 necklace was a graduation gift from my undergrad at college. Always have loved that. And I think my high school class ring, there it is going to make an appearance here. Can you see it? Yep, it's got my birthstone on it. Funny story, I lost that ring for about probably over 15 years, and I found it in a pocket of a jacket that I've had just as long or longer. If all of my leftover costume jewelry can actually fit in this little jewelry box. I kind of like it. I bought it at Ross a long time ago because it was acrylic and you could see through it, and I thought it might look like a little treasure box on my dresser. A dream not realized before because I didn't put anything in it. And now I'm going to take out so that scary drawer that I did before, I'm going to try to organize the things that I'm going to keep in this container. So let's see how I do. Alright, so I'm preparing to organize the drawers that my clothes go in, and I bought these drawer dividers off of Amazon. They are bamboo. I was kind of mad because there was an assembly part to this one, but funny story, well, really not so funny. I ended up not using this set because they were too big. I failed to really measure the inside of my drawers. I didn't think my drawers were really that small, and I don't know what size drawers these fit in, but free game, measure the inside of your drawers before you purchase anything that's going to go in there. So you see me putting this version together. It actually wasn't so bad, and it came with the only tool that was needed to put together. But like I said, I didn't end up using them, and I had to order some more smaller ones off of Amazon. Target does sell these under the brand Bright Room, but they were out of stock when I went to the store near my house. So this is me checking to make sure that it will fit in the drawer, and we have success this go round. So let's start folding my clothes and getting everything ready to organize inside. Okay guys, so what you see me doing here is kind of a Marie Kondo, however you say it, style magazine fold so that I could get maximum storage inside of these drawers. But truth be told, I got rid of so much stuff, and I didn't have a lot to do, but I kind of wanted to look pretty. And honestly, I don't know if I'm gonna fold it like this every time I'm putting away laundry, but we'll see, because it is a benefit to me because it's a space saver. But since I got rid of so much, I don't really need all the space. But I hope you enjoy the folding anyway. All right guys, I'm gonna be honest, it is a completely different day because of a little snafu I ran into, but it is time for the dresser reveal. I'm really happy with it. I got rid of a lot more than I thought I did, but I'm actually really happy about that because I do not feel like I'm lacking in clothes in any type of way right now. So without further ado, let's do a dresser tour. All right, first things first, the dresser is completely clear of all the unwanted items. So we'll get a little closer. I put all of my costume jewelry in here. So now it looks like a little treasure box. It's actually really cute in person. Nothing, I really wasn't using this to the full capacity before. That's just a candle that I got as a gift. That's the Henry Bendel candle. I've burned it like once, but you know, I like the box, so I just put it back in there. Got a couple of accessories in there. Here is where I keep my class ring and any other rings I might have. I don't have that many. This is my fragrance tray, my growing fragrance collection. I might do a video on this alone, guys, because I'm starting to kind of get into fragrances. I know what I like, and not just perfumes, eau de parfum, but like body butters, oils, things of that nature. I don't know, we'll see. But I removed some of the extra things off of this tray because I have more actual perfume to fill it. So this is my little small modest collection. But y'all, I wasn't a perfume girl like a month or two ago, so this is big for me. And we have nothing, and I just have my bouquet still here, and this is just a lighter for me to light my candles when I'm upstairs. All right, let's get into the drawers. So I'm gonna start with this top row. This first drawer is just my underwear. I kind of fashioned my underwear in a way to fold them. It's not a perfect fold, and I got rid of so many because I wasn't wearing them, but I have quite a few in here, and then I have some in the dirty clothes, and I have my brassieres here, and this is like a girdle like thing. So I don't plan on growing this like way crazy, so I don't know. This is where my socks are. I'm so happy I was able to reduce my socks and fit them in a small drawer, because I really was only wearing like the black socks when I was wearing socks. So, and got a couple pair of the long ones too. And this is where my costume jewelry used to live, but this is where, like, these are my wedding accessories, so I keep them here. Got a couple, this is just some hand lotion that I eventually put in my purse, and some tissue. But these are all sunglasses in their like cases, and these are all my sample perfumes. I don't know that I'm gonna kind of go through them to see what I like and see what I need to throw away, but for now I placed them in this, and all these are inside an acrylic organizer because my costume jewelry used to be in here. And these are just like jewelry cloths, glasses cloths, just a couple random knickknacks, not too many. Some foot cushions for the soles, and also some fashion accessories like clear bra straps and petals, you know. But everything is organized. Oh, and I have some extra masks right here, and these are some headbands that I just folded up on the side here. So a lot less clutter there. Moving on to the big drawers. Y'all remember how this looked. Look how much I reduced down. So here are the organizers that I wanted to be able to use. So as I gain more shirts, and there are, honestly, I've been thinking about removing some of my t-shirts from the closet to make it a little bit more airy in there. So I don't know, we'll see what happens. But for now, these are the t-shirts that I have in here. These are like my bodysuits and tanks. So, and I like having the option for these dividers in here, so they'll stay. Will I be folding them like this all the time? We'll see. Probably so it can stay neat. This is my workout clothes drawer. So these are all my workout pants, like just shirts that I just use for working out. And these are all like my training brassieres. And then we got, this is where all my leggings live. I used to keep sweatpants in here. Right now they're hanging in the closet with their prospective shirts, and I got rid of a bunch of them because I just wasn't wearing them. So this drawer might fill up more, but I can see everything I have is accessible, and it's neat. And last drawer here, I saved this one for last because I always have trouble keeping this one on the track. I need to call Haverty's to get them to come out and fix this. But this is my pajamas, and I gave them the same treatment. So I have these dividers, and I did sort of a KonMari fold that you saw like loosely there. So these are my pajamas. Now I feel like I need to wash clothes so I can truly see everything that I have in the dresser drawers. But that is another errand for another day. For now, we are finally closing out this dresser drawer declutter and organize video. And ooh, sound like my son and my husband are home now. And yeah, I'm gonna see you guys later. If you guys want more organization, the decluttering content, check out the videos in the playlist that I'll link on my end screen. And I will see you guys later. Bye.